Unlock Arabic. Tips and tricks to learn faster. Have you ever wanted to learn Arabic but felt confused or overwhelmed? Or maybe you started and then hit a wall. Today I'm giving you 8 powerful, simple tricks that make Arabic easier. You won't just listen, you'll try the tricks yourself. Ready? Let's start. Challenge 1. Arabic feels too difficult. Trick. Break it into the smallest pieces possible. Don't try to learn the entire grammar book or dictionary at once. Start with just one short, useful sentence. Say this sentence out loud with me. أنا أتعلم العربية. I am learning Arabic. That's it. One sentence, one win. Repeat it daily until it is automatic. This trick builds confidence fast and shows your brain that Arabic is manageable. أنا أتعلم العربية. Challenge 2. I can't pronounce Arabic sounds. Trick. Slow repetition after listening to a native speaker. Arabic sounds feel strange because they're new, not because they're impossible. Sometimes learners also feel that many sounds are similar. Let's try this together. Repeat after me, slowly and clearly. Light versus heavy sounds. سين, صاد, تاء, طاء. Now the deep sounds. عين, خاء. Focus on one sound at a time. This slow, focused repetition trains your ear, your mouth, and your eyes together and helps you avoid confusing similar letters. Challenge 3. I learn new words, but I forget them quickly. Trick. Never learn words alone. Learn them inside sentences. Let's test this. Instead of memorizing this word, قهوة, coffee, say this sentence with me. أنا أحب القهوة. I love coffee. Say it again. قهوة. أنا أحب القهوة. Instead of memorizing this word, بيت, house, say this sentence with me. أنا أسكن في بيت جميل. I live in a beautiful house. Instead of memorizing this word, مدرسة, school.
أختي تذهب إلى المدرسة كل يوم.
Say this sentence with me.
أختي تذهب إلى المدرسة كل يوم.
My sister goes to school every day.
أختي تذهب إلى المدرسة كل يوم. قهوة.
بيت.
مدرسة. أحسنت.
Notice how the word feels easier to remember? Words stick better when learned inside sentences.
I am learning. I am repeating. I am confident.
Challenge 4. I mix up Arabic words easily. Trick. Learn words through root systems. Arabic words are built around roots, and once you see them, the language starts to click. Learn one root, and you instantly unlock multiple words at the same time. That's not memorization, that's smart learning. Now add this power move. Flashcards. Write the root or main word on one side and the full word family on the other. For example, take the root kaf, ta, ba. From this single root you get kitab, book, maktab, office, katib, writer. Kitab, maktab, katib. Another example, the root dal, ra, sin. Dars, lesson, مدرس, teacher, madrasa, school. One root, One card, multiple words. Challenge 5. Arabic grammar is confusing. Trick. Ignore most grammar at the beginning. Let me ask you something. Do you really need all the rules right now? The answer is no. Let's try this together. Read this sentence out loud. أنا أدرس. I am studying. Now read this one. أنا درست. I studied. That's it. Present and past. Now let's add one more powerful step. Masculine and feminine. Say this. أنا طالب. I am a male student. Now this. أنا طالبة. I am a female student. أنا أدرس. أنا درست. أنا طالب. أنا طالبة. That's present, past, masculine, and feminine, all in simple examples. You've just covered the main grammar used in daily conversations. This trick saves time and gets you speaking faster. Challenge 6. I don't have time to study. Trick. Surround yourself with Arabic. Don't just study Arabic, live with it. Use passive listening. Play Arabic music or a simple podcast during your dead time. Don't try to understand everything, just let your ear get used to the sounds. Now, let's try it together. Listen to this and see how many words you catch.
أنا أتعلم اللغة العربية يومياً.
I learn Arabic every day.
أنا أتعلم اللغة العربية يومياً.
How about this?
أنا أسمع العربية في طريقي للعمل.
I listen to Arabic on my way to work.
أنا أسمع العربية في طريقي للعمل.
Even if you caught just one or two words, that's a win. Maybe you recognized أنا or العربية, and that's exactly how progress starts. Even one word counts. Small moments, real progress. Keep going. Challenge 7. I understand Arabic, but I can't speak. Trick. Speak before you feel ready. Make mistakes on purpose. Yes, on purpose. Mistakes mean your brain is working. No one speaks perfectly at the beginning, and that's normal. Even if you say a simple sentence like,
أنا أشرب قهوة.
I drink coffee.
أنا ألعب بالكرة.
I'm playing with the ball.
أنا أشرب قهوة. أنا ألعب بالكرة.
It doesn't have to be perfect. You communicated, and that's a huge win.
Challenge 8.
I don't know what to study next. Trick. Stop learning randomly. Choose one clear path. One of the biggest mistakes learners make is studying randomly. Jumping between videos, app, and other resources only creates confusion. Choose one clear resource and commit to it. What matters most is having a structured path, not random content. Conclusion. Learning Arabic isn't about talent. It's about using the right trick for the right problem. Practice a little every day, stay patient, and you'll see real progress. See you in the next video.
Expand your Arabic skills with your free AlifBee app trial today. It's packed with interactive lessons, stories, vocabulary lists, quizzes, and exercises to boost all your skill levels. Start your journey now. Click the link in the description below to get your free trial before it's gone. AlifBee.app/free14. AlifBee. Learn Arabic the smart way.